Hola chicas, ¿qué tal estáis? I hope you're okay. You have to, just gonna give you, we're pretty much finished this capítulo, this chapter on mi familia. So lo que vamos a, what I'm gonna ask you to have a look at today is just two little things, okay? On página 81, on page 81 of your textbook, okay, page 81, I'm gonna ask you to have a look at this listening here. It's just this little listening we missed earlier on. So, como eres, describe yourself, okay? So you got Diego, Clara, and Nacho. So you're going to fill out their edad, their age, okay? And then you're going to fill out a little bit about their description, describing them, okay? Their description, okay? You can fill that out in Spanish or in English, okay? So I'll send you out the track. Just fill in some página 81. You're going to fill in their age and their description. Try and put that in Spanish if you can, okay? That's the first thing I want you to do. Okay, we're finished the chapter then, and then the last thing is I want you to skip back to the very back of the book. Okay, very back of the book on página, so it's really back to página 200. See, it's página 253, page 253. I just want you to try this now. Okay, so I want you to try this little exercise. This is like a little practice test, okay? So first one is I want you to scramble the following words. The following or say what they mean. So just write them underneath them, okay? So for instance, like this one here would be like padres, Padres. You're unscrambling those, okay? Okay. Padres, so you're gonna just unscramble the words, okay? They're in Spanish, okay? Padres, okay, so that's the one you can guess that one. That one begins with H. Skip 2, don't worry about 2, okay? Don't worry about 2. 3, you're just trying to make these plural, okay? And remember, the simple way to make things plural is you add a S, okay? So you're going to make these things plural. And then 4, I want you to just translate these sentences, the Espanol, English, and Spanish into English, okay? So I want you to do 1, 2, and 4. Is that okay? 1, 2, and 4. On page 253, right? 1, 2, 2, and 4. Okay, don't worry about 5. Some of you, if you haven't got done yet, please try and get your letter finished. Because I'm going to try and get them corregido esta semana. I'm going to try and get them corrected this week. And next, after después de mañana, mañana, vamos a empezar otro capítulo. We're going to start a new chapter then as well, okay? So just do the little lesson. I'll send you that link out now, and I just want you to do 1, 2, y 4, 1, 2, 4 on page página 253, on page 1, on page 253, okay? Muchas gracias, chicas.